Hey, Plant Pals, Mike Takeda Gardner. This is my November 7th indoor quick harvest. I'm going to get some basil, and I got a few ripe tomatoes, and I got a few other things I'm going to take a sample of. All right, I'm going to grab some of this basil. I will be right back. All right, I gave the basil a good haircut because everything was touching light. Well, even this one back here, I'm going to probably grab that one too. Because you don't want to touch light because they get kind of sunburned. So don't want that. All right. I'll be right back. All right. This is how much basil I get almost daily off of this thing. It's just crazy. And it smells so good, tastes wonderful. And what I do is I put it in the freezer, or I dehydrate it. And like in a day or so, I'll have just as much, if not more, to harvest. All right. Be right back. Now, this Fresno here is definitely ready to be harvested. Look at that beauty. Nice. All right, I'm gonna grab that. Just a quick look at some of all the little mini baby ones growing. Tons of Fresnos, love them. Okay, I will harvest this guy and I'll be back. Okay, this is my purple basil and the AeroGarden sprout, and as you can see, it keeps touching the light. It's almost at its max height, so I'm gonna definitely grab some off it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna harvest. I'm gonna thin it out so it's not being choked out. I'm probably gonna move two of these out so that this can be by itself and have room to really grow nuts like the other basil in the sprout. What I call the basil tree that gives me like a Ziploc bag of basil near daily. All right, I'm gonna harvest some of this. I'll be right back. As you can see, I gave this beauty a little haircut. It she'll be fine. It's like a wall of purple basil. I'm going to. I lowered the light already a little bit. I'm just gonna let things go, and I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna move probably two of these out. All right. Now I'm on to the next thing. This right here in what I do is one of the Fresnos that I had in the AeroGarden harvest. It's being covered by this leaf here, which I'm going to harvest. Let's see if I can show it. But this one's not quite ready yet. It's just about. It's turning red. As soon as it gets all the way red, I will harvest it. But yeah, it's pretty happy in the I do right here. Here is its cousin. And then here is the other one that I moved over here. And they seem to be pretty happy living in the I do unit now. Because I completely deep cleaned the AeroGarden harvest. I'll show you that quick in a moment. But first, I'm going to harvest some of this arugula that Lady Cheryl gifted to me. I tasted a leaf. It's peppery. I like it. It's pretty tasty. You see it's getting kind of crowded out. I'm going to move some of these out into their own container so that it can grow and thrive. But first I'm going to harvest a few leaves, and I'll be back. All right, I harvested some of the arugula. Left plenty on there, so it won't get shocked when I transplant it into another unit. I'm going to keep one in this unit to let thrive and see how that goes. And I'll be right back. I'm on to the next thing. This is a quick look at my AeroGarden harvest model. See the light, I lowered the light. These are all lemon spice jalapeno peppers. You can see how they do in the AeroGarden harvest. It's been cleaned. I did a video on that. That'll come out long before this one comes out. So that's cool. And then next to it is my bonsai tomato plant. It's got tomatoes ripe all throughout it. I'm going to harvest some of those. I will be right back. Here's my orange hat tomato plant. The one I got knocked over. I thought it was gone, but it seems to be doing okay. So I'm just going to let it do its thing in its container here. Again, this is no soil in here, just vermiculite, perlite, and cocoa coir. And my little buddies down there. Put some diatomaceous earth on top to make sure I don't get any fungus gnats. grungy still here. But yeah, so this is just plant food solution. And then there's strings down here that wick up the plant food solution to the roots. So that's how it gets its nutrition. And I'm gonna grab this guy. If I can do it one-handed while looking through the viewfinder. There we go. Little baby. So just let this plant do its thing. Hopefully I will get some more tomatoes. If not, I will maybe propagate it. Some of these fresh leaves, new growth here, I might propagate just so it doesn't get too leggy and tall. And I'll start something else in this pot. Probably another Fresno, since the Fresno really seems to love the pot. All right, be right back. I have more basil down here I might harvest. I think I might leave alone. I've got some mint here that I could harvest. I think I might just let that go. Yeah. All right. Be right back. All right, and here is my harvest for November 7th. Look at this beautiful purple basil. So I've got Genovese basil, I've got purple basil, I've got arugula, I've got some micro dwarf tomatoes that are beautiful and ripe, and I've got a Fresno chili pepper. So it's Meatless Monday, it's the 7th, so guess who's gonna have a salad? That's awesome. All right. If I do any more Meatless Mondays, not Meatless Mondays, sorry. If I do any more, because I definitely will do, but if I do any more harvest this week, I will record them. I'm just going to put them all into one kind of longer video. Or maybe I'll do two shorter videos. We'll see. All right. Well, if I don't add on to this, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.